Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the USTECH brand, their foldable luggage rack. It's all metal, X-shaped design. It allows you to put your suitcases on, sturdy, heavy duty, for your guest room, hotel, holds up to about 100 pounds. So you can enhance your guest comfort by keeping the luggage off the floor. They can stack up their multiple luggages on top of it. It's excellent for guest rooms, hotels, and properties. They reduce back strain and maintain a clean, organized space, enhancing the overall guest experience that you have. And it's foldable, so you can fold it up and put it in a closet if you're not using it, and that's really nice to have that. And 100 pounds is excellent. It uses a strap system, and it comes with an instruction, little diagram right there, and the tools you're going to need, the screwdriver, the wrench. And when you get the product, these bags have numbers on them or letters on them. Make sure you keep that intact when you assemble it. So here it is assembled. Took me about 20 minutes. Follow the directions. They do have pictures to help you out, and you can see it's very stable and folds up really nicely. There is the center section right there. There's a spacer, just so you know. It's included on each side. And if you look at the legs come out just like that on each side, so that it drops down to 90 degrees. And you tighten it. There's an included little wrench there to tighten the nut and bolt. And there's a hex head right there also. And it's important that you put it just like this so that it's wrapped over when you insert the screws that are applied right there. There's 4 of them. And then 2 also on the bottom legs there. So really, really nice, very strong. And we're going to demonstrate it upstairs in our guest bedroom. But I'm impressed. It works well. The USTECH brand is foldable luggage rack. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.